Welcome back to Latest Cars Review, your go-to destination for detailed insights, classic car features, and the coolest rides from past and present. If you love cars with history, personality, and timeless design, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a classic that captured the hearts of millions, the 1970 Volkswagen Super Beetle. This isn't just any Beetle. The Super Beetle brought some major upgrades to the beloved people's car, and it's a model that still turns heads more than 50 years later. At first glance, the 1970 Super Beetle might look similar to the standard Beetle, but under the surface there are key differences that made this version stand out. For starters, Volkswagen introduced a new McPherson strut front suspension system, which replaced the old torsion bar setup. This gave the Super Beetle a smoother ride and better handling. The longer nose was another major change, designed to accommodate the new suspension and increase trunk space. Yes, more room for your luggage in the front. Powering the 1970 Super Beetle was an air-cooled, rear-mounted 1.6-liter flat-4 engine. It produced around 57 horsepower, modest by today's standards, but back then, it was more than enough to zip through traffic or cruise down country roads. The engine had that signature Beetle sound, a kind of mechanical heartbeat that any VW enthusiast could recognize instantly. Another thing that made the Super Beetle different was its slightly longer and more curved front end. The updated styling gave it a more modern look without straying too far from the iconic Beetle shape. It retained the rounded fenders, the classic circular headlights, and of course the bug-like silhouette that made it famous worldwide. Inside the cabin, things were also upgraded. The Super Beetle came with improved seating, a more refined dashboard, and better interior materials. It was still simple and practical, but you could tell Volkswagen wanted this version to feel just a bit more premium. The car was comfortable, especially considering its size, and it had that unique charm that made people smile when they got behind the wheel. The 1970 model marked the beginning of a new era for the Beetle. While staying true to its roots, the Super Beetle aimed to be a better everyday car. It offered more comfort, better driving dynamics, and enough space to make it suitable for small families or road trip lovers. One of the reasons the Super Beetle has remained so beloved is because of its durability. These cars were built to last, with simple mechanics that were easy to work on. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just getting into the classic car scene, the Super Beetle is a great project car that won't break the bank. Today, the 1970 Super Beetle holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts. It's not just a piece of automotive history, it's a symbol of simplicity, reliability, and design that stood the test of time. Whether you're restoring one, buying one, or just admiring from afar, there's no denying the Super Beetle's charm. If you're lucky enough to find a well-maintained 1970 Super Beetle, you're getting more than just a car. You're getting a piece of history that still drives like a dream. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, classic car stories, and automotive nostalgia. This is Latest Cars Review, and we'll see you in the next one.